What up, fam? As you can see, we got Allstate glass out here today. They kind of take care of the truck, man. We're getting the windshield thrown up in here. All right, so they got the windshield out. As you can see, right here, this is where the water runs out, I guess. On the other side, I had a little surface rust going on over here. So they cleaned that up pretty good and put a little primer on there. And we got the old bead in here. They taking care of that. And right in here, he's just getting the windshield ready. And this is the new window sill. So he's throwing the window sill on there right now. As you can see, the 87 model, I'm not sure about the rest of them. They got the antenna right there on the windshield. So that's what that is right there. The wires run up the middle. But yeah.
Can I use the camera?
No. But that's the difference between this window, don't touch nothing. And that's the old window right there. You can see it looks brownish because of the age of this window. Got a brown tint to it compared to this one. Got a nice blue hue. Yeah, looking right. But yeah, I keep you tuned in though. I'm chime back in. We still got to replace this rear window right here. You want to get any of this glass, let me know. You know, ain't nothing wrong with it. I'm just getting rid of it. You know, it's just a little newer. Just want some newer glass, you know, so it don't look all aged and everything. But we're going with a flat, going with one-piece glass back here in the back. Gonna get rid of this multi-window thing going on back here, the slider window. And yeah, be back in here. Be back, guys. Stay tuned. All right, man. We following back up. Checking on the progress of the windows. Looking pretty good. Got the rear window out, man. I got a rat rod right now. And that's how you stay cool right here. You just take all the windows out in the summertime. Just ride around, no windows, okay? But we ain't gonna do that. All right, so everything coming together. We got the seats done. Got new door panels in the garage. Got the dash.
You got new seats?
Yeah. So I just need to order. You see this red up here on the dash. We're gonna replace that. Get some black to complement that. I ain't worrying about these seat belts. I might let them stay how they are for a while. But other than that, a little bit here and there. It's all coming together. All right, so it look pretty good back here, I guess.
Why are you
But yeah, it's coming along together pretty good, man. Come on, y'all. Let's let them do what they do. All right, stay tuned, fam. All right, guys, about to go out here, see what's popping off of the truck, see what these guys looking like. Let's go see what's up. What's up, man? Ooh, a job right there, ain't it?
On the job.
So right now they putting the lock in. What's that thing called? The lock?
Locking strip.
The locking strip. See, guys, it's a lot of tools involved. You gotta have all that stuff. Yeah. So as you see, this one again got the antenna built in. All right. That's the seal right there for the rear window. It's going in next. Man. Yeah, looking real good though. Looking good. Can y'all glue the mirror thing on there for me? The little thing that goes on the mirror?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, I finally found it, man. I gotta get my rear view mirror put up. They're gonna glue that right there to the windshield. Oh yeah, it's coming along, Stay tuned. So, man, I'm out here coming back, man, following up with the window installation. As you saw, the guys out here getting things done. This is what's left of the job to get done, man. I'm gonna do this on my own right here. All right, as you can see, I got the driver's side, passenger side, all windows for both doors. They all have this tint to it. I ordered this from CJ Pony Parts. This is the kit that you would get from CJ Pony Parts that says smoked glass that looks like it's 5% on the picture, but when you get it, you're staring at it wondering is it even tinted, but it is tinted. As you can see, it looks like that right there. Turns out pretty good. This is looking through the tinted rear window through the clear glass on the front. So I mean, it looks real good. And as you can see, this is much cleaner than having that frame on the truck as we had from the beginning with. So Isaiah, come here. How your arm keep coming out of that thing, man? All right. My little man fell and broke his arm. I might throw that little piece of video in here just so you guys can see it. My little buddy. But anyway, this is the front windshield. This is how it turned out. As you can see. As you can see, this front windshield, we got the weather stripping in here, and it has the seal. I can't remember what this thing is called. This is the trim. It's a trim lock or something like that. But this has to get installed in order for everything to be just right. You can order one of those for the rear, or you can get one that's considered to be custom.
Daddy, how are you holding it? Huh? Hold on.
Let's see. All right, guys. So I am shooting this full HD 120 frames per second in pro video mode, and yeah, the video on this Galaxy Note 20 is awesome, man. We're gonna pop this thing open and let you see what it looks like on the inside right here. As you can see, we got the door panel. It's installed. Yeah, I just did that. You can matter of fact, I just posted a live video of this happening. So check out my own video feed and you'll see where I got a live video posted of this getting done. We cut out the holes for the window switches. It's getting a little dark in here, is it? We got the interior door panels installed. Man, looking real nice. I gotta get the little clips that go on the inside of here because what they sent me don't seem to match up with what's on this door. But that's gonna take care of this slight buckle effect we got going on right here. But all in all, it's a real clean install. I didn't do that on the other side. Not sure if this might have been sitting in a bulging manner during shipping or not, but something to work on. All right, so as you can see, we got the seat covers installed. This right here was ordered from CJ Pony Parts. Ordered these seat covers, had them installed locally, and man, all is well. $75 per seat cover installation. I got my hardware that goes here to cover this stuff up. I should have hit this stuff up with some black paint, man, from the jump, but too late for that. I might still do that though, I don't know. But got the dash installed, man. See how the dash real clean look. But what I love most, man, is how clean this solid window is compared to the multi-piece window that was installed on here. And the difference is so spectacular, guys, compared to driving down the road with the original windshield from all the age, you know, just little speckles or whatever in the glass or whatever. Not chips, but I don't know, just mother time or something, but it's a big difference. And it's just amazing how much more different it looks. You see that right there? So much more cleaner.
We was in there and Isaiah was in there.
Yeah, all of y'all was in here.
Cameron?
Not Cameron. It's only room for 3. So Daddy was driving. I picked you and Chance up in there. You and Isaiah up in there. But yeah, I just wanted to come to you though and let you see the progress of the windows, the after. I'm gonna get these windows and the doors snatched out of here. Got people inquiring about them now. I got all this stuff on the marketplace listed here locally. You can chime in, you know, Rayford area, North Carolina. But I ain't shipping this mess, man, so forget about all that. Somebody local gonna have to get this. Ain't got time to be shipping this mess. But I have it here for somebody interested. I'm gonna get these windows installed though, and we're gonna call it a wrap with the window install, man. But yeah, truck coming along real good. As you can see outside of the door panels, I also went on ahead and installed the side marker lamps. I've thrown away the old ones, but the old ones, all of this chrome on the inside was white. It had turned colors already. So got that taken care of though. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is get this grill changed out. Get another grill, cause this one looks old. I'm gonna order some wheel wells. I took those out originally because I had some big rims and tires up under here when I first got the truck, and I had to snatch some things up out of there, man. But man, that's about it for the C10 though. I mean, all this well is coming along pretty good. Kids loving it. They can't stay up out of it. Hey, what's up, Chance? Anyway, man, it's your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. I'm about to come to the close with this video. I hope you like the content. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, we're gonna do what we do. Get up out of here. Keep it moving. All right, so hey,